Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and for those new, welcome. For today's video, I decided to create this makeup look using just all drugstore makeup products. And if you want to learn how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. To start my face, I use this L'Oreal Shake and Glow Dillo Mist to prime and hydrate my face. I love this primer because it will give you that nice glow on your skin. For foundation, I use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation for a skin finish result using my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. And then for concealer, I use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and just apply it under my eyes to mask those dark circles and highlight the other areas on my face. To set that concealer, I use the L'Oreal Hydra Perfect Loose Powder and just apply it under my eyes and also my jawlines. Using a powder brush, I use it to dust off the powder under my eyes and to set the rest of my face. To save time, I've done my brows off cam and used the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer on my brows. And for my eyes, I use the Maybelline Soda Pop Palette, and the first color I'm going in with is Crushing. I'm going to take this color on a big fluffy crease brush, and I'm pretty much just gonna apply this on the crease. Just add some more to build the color and start blending. Now I'm going into the shade Cherry on Top, and I'm applying this on my entire lid and dragging the color on my crease, blending the color little by little. Going back to Crushing shade to blend out the harsh lines. And now I'm going in with Cherry Cola shade and just apply it on top of my lid. And lastly, I use Grape Pop shade and apply it on top of Cherry Cola just to add glitter and brighten up the eyes. And I use the tonic shade and apply it on the inner corner to highlight the eyes. To finish up the eyes, I went back on Crush and Shade and just apply it on my lower lash line using a small brush. Just keep on blending to soften the edges and to remove the harsh lines. And I went in Grape Pop shade and applied it on top of Crushing. Basically, I'm just applying this slowly on top of Crushing and blending them well. I used the NYX pencil liner in the shade medium brown to tightline my eyes and apply it on my waterline, and I also used the NYX liquid eyeliner for my winged liner. For mascara, I used the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara and apply it on my upper and lower lash line. Back to finish up the face, I use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer using an e.l.f. contour brush to warm up and contour my face. For the blush, I'm taking the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Berry Amore. I love this blush because it has a soft, luminous glow to it, and I really like it. And I will just apply this on my cheeks. To highlight my face, I used the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder and apply it on my nose line, the upper part of my cheeks, and brow bone. For my lips, I used the Maybelline Color Sensational Lipstick on the shade Almond Rose and just apply it on my lips. And to set everything in place, I used the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray and just spray it all over my face. So that was it for today's makeup tutorial, guys. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.